Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best woodworker's apron is probably one of the most important yet underrated tools in any woodworker's arsenal, offering unmatched protection and practicality. From safeguarding your clothing from sawdust and stains to providing convenient storage for essential tools and accessories, a high-quality apron significantly enhances your woodworking experience, boosting both efficiency and safety in the workshop. Choosing the right one can transform your crafting sessions from chaotic to organized and safe, allowing you to focus on the joy of creation. Number 5. 16 ounces waxed canvas work apron. It's made from top-quality 16-ounce waxed canvas, ensuring it's durable and long-lasting. This apron offers full coverage, protecting you from head to knee while you work. It's handcrafted with reinforced grommets, rivets, and double-stitched pockets for exceptional strength. You'll appreciate its thick hems and overall resilience. Unlike stiff, uncomfortable aprons, it's tough yet flexible. It allows for ease of movement and won't trap dust or let oils soak through. It's designed to hang comfortably from your shoulders, distributing weight evenly and preventing neck and back pain. Say goodbye to discomfort. Strategically placed pockets keep your essentials close at hand. Deep pockets with flaps and a zippered cell phone pocket offer ample secure storage. It features a quick-release buckle and adjustable harness, ensuring a perfect fit for any body type. Putting it on and taking it off is quick and easy. What we like. It's incredibly tough yet comfortable to wear all day long. The unique design distributes weight evenly, preventing neck and back pain. If you need a durable and comfortable apron for long hours of work, this is the one for you. What people say. Quality design, manufacture comfortable, durable, magnificently designed and finished. Freedom of movement yet full body protection. It does fit well after a few minutes adjusting the straps. It has enough pockets and other things. But mostly I like the weight. It will hang straight and maybe even add a bit of protection against possibly walking into something. This shop apron is great. My pencils and tape measure are always at hand. Ample other storage for quick access. Number 4. Texas Canvas Wears Apron. It's made of a special waxed canvas blend, so it will protect you from sawdust, stains, and sticky substances for years to come. Keep your clothes clean and yourself protected with this heavy-duty apron. This apron has steel rivets, crossback straps for comfort, and reinforced pockets. It also features a convenient phone pocket with a strap and a quick-release buckle for easy on and off. It's loved by woodworkers, machinists, and DIYers alike. The quality and gift-ready packaging make it a great choice for yourself or as a present. With a generous size and extra-long straps, it fits comfortably on most people. It's designed to accommodate a wide range of body types. We're confident you'll love this apron. That's why we offer a 30-day money-back guarantee. Buy with peace of mind. What we like. This apron is a top pick for its quality and comfortable design. The crossback straps and removable shoulder pads offer superior comfort. If you're looking for an apron that fits comfortably and lasts, this is a great option. What people say. High-quality material. Should last for years. Adjusts easily and the shoulder straps are wide and comfortable. Nice pocket on top for cell phone and pencil. 2 larger pockets below for measuring tape, etc., and they have flaps to keep sawdust out. Dust, dirt, etc. brush right off after each work session. Long enough to cover down to just above the knee. The pockets and loops on the side are super convenient and hold a good amount of items. I typically keep a pencil and my phone in the top pockets and a tape measure and wooden mallet in the 2 loops. The 2 pockets towards the bottom of the apron are the largest and have flaps that help to keep sawdust out. This workshop apron is great. The clip makes it easy to put on and take off. The shoulder pads make it comfortable to carry heavy items in the pockets. The pockets are well designed with flaps that can tuck in or out. The pencil pocket is very convenient. It is a good length to protect your pants, but not too long. It has a loop that makes it easy to hang on a hook for storage. The canvas material is durable and free of any smell or odors. Number 3. Waxed Canvas Woodworking Apron. It's made of heavy-duty waxed canvas, double-stitched for extra durability. You'll find it comfortable to wear, even during long work sessions. It has 9 pockets of varying sizes to hold all your essential tools. There's even a special loop for your hammer and a magnetic patch for small items. The flaps over the pockets keep sawdust and debris out, keeping your tools clean and organized. This apron is designed with practicality in mind. The adjustable straps and waistband ensure a comfortable and customized fit for all body types. You can easily adjust it to your preference. It comes in a nice gift box with instructions. It's an ideal present for the woodworker, carpenter, or handyman in your life. With its multiple pockets, durable material, and comfortable design, this apron is ready to tackle any project. Get yours today. What we like. This apron boasts an impressive number of pockets to keep your tools organized. It's built to last with heavy-duty waxed canvas and double stitching. If you prioritize ample storage and durability, this apron is perfect for you. What people say. It's comfortable, sturdy, quality fabric offers lots of pocket storage to keep things handy while you're working on a project. The apron is much heavier waxed cotton at 20 ounces than either of those other two and has many more pockets and features for the same price. It has one huge, wide, deep kangaroo pocket in front that both hands fit into, 2 large tool pockets with flaps, a cell phone pocket with Velcro strap, 2 pencil pockets, a metal loop that could hold a hammer, 2 small leather loops, a loop to hang it up by, and a large magnet in the front center to hold nails, small tools, etc. The adjustable straps include padded shoulder pads, a leather strap connector for the crisscross straps and plastic snap fit connectors. I love all the small pockets for pencils and scribes, etc., as well as the kangaroo-style pouches and the 2 front flapped ones. The shoulder straps had pads on them to ease the discomfort of wearing all day, and the leather crossover patch serves a purpose to keep the straps in line. The 2 durable plastic clips work as intended and hasn't failed me on my first one, and I don't expect they will on this one either. The inside top of the apron has a loop to hang it up at the end of the day, instead of wrapping the straps around something. Number 2. ecoZen Lifestyle Apron. It has more pockets than other aprons, including a zippered chest pocket for your phone, pencil pouches, a metal tape holder, and hammer loops. You'll have everything you need right at your fingertips. Say goodbye to neck pain. The padded shoulder straps provide even weight distribution, and the one-click release buckles make it easy to put on and take off. This apron is built to withstand even the toughest jobs. It's handmade with reinforced grommets, rivets, double-stitched pockets, and thick hems for lasting durability. Keep your clothes clean and protected from grease, dirt, and sawdust. The thick, water-resistant waxed canvas fabric provides excellent protection. It's fully adjustable to fit most men and women, no matter your size. It also comes in a gift box, making it a perfect present for the woodworker in your life. Looking for a gift for the woodworking enthusiast? This apron is a perfect choice and comes with a 90-day money-back guarantee. What we like. This apron is designed with extra pockets for all your tools and accessories. The padded shoulder straps ensure all-day comfort. If you need an apron with lots of pockets and a comfortable fit, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The material is a heavy-duty, stiff twill that naturally repels water. The design is masterful for my purposes with 2 deep flap pockets, a roomy kangaroo pocket like on a hoodie, a zippered chest pocket for the iPhone 11 and it fits without a problem, and a ring for my house key. Nice shop apron for woodworking. Heavy-duty material and well built with quality rivets and stitching. I'm a big guy at 6 feet 1 inch and 300 pounds, and the apron fit comfortably with room to spare. For reference, an iPhone 15 Pro Max fit in the top zipper pouch and was able to zip it up. It is comfortable to wear, and has enough weight to it that it hangs well and limits movement when he is working. The covered pockets are great and keep things clean. Number 1. Waxed Canvas Woodworking Apron. This apron is designed to make your work easier and more efficient. It's made from durable waxed canvas and has plenty of pockets to keep your tools organized. It has 9 pockets of varying sizes, ensuring you have a place for everything from your hammer to your smallest screws. Keep your essentials close at hand and easily accessible. 4 powerful magnets are embedded in the chest, keeping nails, screws, and other small parts secure and within easy reach. No more hunting for those tiny essentials. It features comfortable shoulder pads, a sawdust-proof pocket, and even a handy anti-fall cell phone pocket. Plus, it has a towel ring and quick-release buckles for ultimate convenience. Made from heavy-duty 20 ounces waxed canvas with double stitching and rivet reinforcement, it's built to last. This apron is an investment in your comfort and efficiency. This apron makes a thoughtful and practical gift for any handyman. It's perfect for birthdays, Father's Day, or Christmas. What we like. This apron features strong magnets to hold small metal items, saving you time and effort. The multiple pockets and thoughtful design features make it incredibly convenient. If you value efficiency and convenience, this apron is a must-have. What people say. I've had a number of shop aprons in the past, but none really completely worked for me. They were either too uncomfortable to wear for an extended period of time, or didn't have the right pockets or holders for all the gear I like to keep on me while in my wood shop. This apron solved all those problems. I have enough pockets for all my pens, pencils, small ruler, chalk, dust collector remote, tape measure, and even a card scraper at the ready with the magnetic holds. I've also found the magnets are super useful for holding screws. The magnet is strong enough they never fall off. This apron is well constructed. The seams are sticked smartly with no fraying or loose ends. The wax makes it stiff, at first, but it softens over time. The pockets seem to be in the right place. Very strong and lots of useful pockets and clips hooks. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.